Okay, students, today we are here to learn the memory technique. Memory technique to remember the oxidizing nature of KMnO4 in different media. The advantage of KMnO4 is a powerful oxidizing agent and it behaves as per our requirement in different media. Okay, so like K2Cr2O7, it can act as oxidizing agent only in acidic medium. But KMnO4 is not like that. It can act as oxidizing agent right from the acidic medium to basic medium, including neutral medium. Okay, so how it behaves in different medium and how to remember how the questions will be coming. So let us start with the trick series. Okay, so KMnO4 in the KMnO4 form, oxidation number of manganese is plus 7. In KMnO4, oxidation number of manganese is how much? Plus 7. Okay. So, but when it is used in acidic medium, so in examination, they will write in on the arrow H2SO4. Okay. That means you should understand, I should write the product in the Mn2 plus. Suppose MnSO4 is used, sorry, H2SO4 is used, you are going to get MnSO4 here. HCl is used at MnCl2, you are going to get. In acidic medium, MnO4 minus converted into Mn2 plus. So here see, before reaction oxidation number is plus 7 and after reaction oxidation number is plus 2. Oxidation number decreased by how much? It is decreased by 5. Okay, but the same KMnO4, when you change it to the neutral medium, okay, so plus it is converted into MnO2. MnO2 is a manganese oxide. It is also called as a pyrolusite air. It is an important objective for D block elements. Okay, so like this questions will be coming in all examination, including CSIR, JRF, NET, IIT, NEET, AIMS. Lot of questions will be there on this one and on this one. Okay, so KMnO4 is a hot topic for the various entrance examination because of its versatility nature. It can work in all condition: acidic, basic, neutral, and all three conditions. Okay, so MnO4 minus converted to Mn plus 4. Okay, so change in oxidation number is how much? 3. Now the same MnO4 when it is used in the strong alkaline medium or basic medium, okay, it is converted into MnO4 2 minus. Okay, this is permanganate, this is manganate. What it is called as? Permanganate, and it is called as a manganate. What is the difference? Only difference is it is minus and it is 2 minus. Okay, so here oxidation number is plus 7 and it is oxidation number is plus 6. Okay, so lot of things to remember. How to remember? Very simple. You remember Andhra Bank. What you will remember? Andhra Bank. Okay, A and B. So A and B. Okay, A and B. What is A and B? Acidic, neutral, and basic. What is A and B? Acidic, neutral, and basic. See, acidic, neutral, and basic. Okay, so these are the three mediums: acidic medium, neutral medium, and basic medium. Okay, so and it is equivalent factor is odd numbers. Equivalent factor is odd numbers: 5, 3, 1. Okay, so equivalent factor changes from, this is called as a equivalent factor. Change in oxidation number during a redox reaction is called as a equivalent factor. So equivalent factor of MnO4 acidic medium 5, equivalent factor of MnO4 minus in neutral medium 3, equivalent factor of MnO4 minus in basic medium is 1. Okay, so in fraction of seconds without any confusion you can answer equivalent factor. Okay, so based on this equivalent factor questions will be there, and how the questions are going to be there I will tell you. Okay, is this understood? KMnO4 can act as a oxidizing agent in all the three medium in different way. In acidic medium it converted to Mn2 plus, in neutral medium MnO2, in basic medium it is converted to MnO4 2 minus, which is called as a manganate. It is permanganate to manganate, and highest equivalent factor is acidic medium, lowest equivalent factor is basic medium. Okay, so just now we are going to see how the questions will be there. Okay, questions will be based upon this chart. Earlier chart was the process, how it worked. Okay, So equivalent factor of the KMnO4, equivalent factor of the KMnO4 in various mediums. Okay, equivalent factor of the KMnO4 in the various medium. Just now I have discussed equivalent factor of KMnO4 in acidic medium 5, basic medium 3, neutral 1. Okay, sorry. Neutral and basic. Okay, so A and B, Andhra Bank. Okay, so acidic, neutral, and basic medium. Acidic, neutral, and basic medium. Acidic medium is 5, 3, and 1. Okay, Andhra Bank, A and B. Okay, so molecular mass by 5, molecular mass by 3, molecular mass by 1. So this is how you can remember. Okay, so higher the equivalent factor, lower will be the equivalent weight. Lower will be the equivalent weight. Okay, and oxidizing power decreases. Highest oxidizing power shown in the acidic medium, lower oxidizing power shown in the basic medium. Okay, is it understood, guys? Okay, all the best, rock it. And with the memory techniques, I think that your confusion will be over and you will be answering very nicely. Bye bye, see you.